If you've ever sat down to watch a movie and felt like something was missing, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The picture might look incredible, but the sound coming from your TV speakers just feels flat and lifeless. Explosions don't hit hard, dialogue gets lost, and those big cinematic moments simply don't feel big. So the real question is, can a system like the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6 actually turn your living room into a real home theater without a complicated setup? In this video, you're going to find out. And before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more honest tech and audio reviews. Also, check the link in the description if you want to find the best deals on this system. After spending time with the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6, the first thing you notice is that this isn't just a typical soundbar upgrade. You're getting a full 5.1 surround system with a soundbar, a dedicated subwoofer, and rear speakers working together to create a much wider sound stage than a basic TV setup. The system pushes out around 1,000 watts of total power, which sounds like a big number on paper, but what really matters is how it feels when you're actually watching something. When you start a movie, the difference is immediate. Dialogue comes through clearly from the center channel, so you're not constantly adjusting the volume between quiet conversations and loud action scenes. The rear speakers add a sense of space that you simply don't get from a single soundbar. During action scenes or sports broadcasts, the sound genuinely wraps around you, making everything feel more immersive and cinematic. What really stands out to you, though, is the bass. The subwoofer delivers deep, punchy low end that gives explosions, music, and background effects a lot more impact. Instead of that thin TV sound, you get something that actually fills the room. It's the kind of bass that makes you feel the moment rather than just hear it, which is exactly what you want from a home theater system. Another thing you'll appreciate is how approachable the setup is. Even though it's a full surround system, Sony designed it to be fairly straightforward to install. The rear speakers connect wirelessly to a receiver, and most of the system is essentially plug and play once you connect it to your TV through HDMI eARC. Within minutes, you can go from basic TV audio to a room-filling surround experience. That said, it's not perfect. If you're someone who listens to a lot of music and expects hi-fi quality, you might notice that this system is clearly tuned for movies first and music second. Bass-heavy tracks can sometimes push the subwoofer a bit too hard, and the system doesn't have built-in Wi-Fi streaming features, so Bluetooth is your main wireless option. But honestly, if your main goal is watching movies, gaming, or streaming shows, that's exactly where this system shines. The surround effect is convincing, dialogue stays clear, and the overall sound has enough power to make your living room feel like a mini theater. What makes the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6 stand out is that it gives you a true surround setup without forcing you into a complicated multi-component home theater build. It's best for people who want a cinematic experience at home but don't want to spend hours figuring out receivers, separate speakers, and complicated wiring. If you're someone who watches a lot of movies, sports, or gaming content and wants a big upgrade over TV speakers, this system makes a lot of sense. It delivers powerful surround sound, strong bass, and a surprisingly immersive experience for its class. If you want to check current pricing or grab one for yourself, make sure you visit the links in the description to find the best deals. And if you've used the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6 yourself, drop a comment below and share your experience, because your feedback helps other viewers make better decisions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews, tips, and tech content just like this.